So what's the main requirements of a fire prevention plan? Your fire prevention plan must show that you can minimise the risk of a fire starting. Aim to extinguish that fire within a 4-hour period, and then prevent fire from spreading within your site and to neighbouring land. And to achieve this, you must include a detailed scale site plan showing waste storage layouts, quarantine areas, the surface and foul drainage, and what sensitive receptors there are within a 1 kilometre distance, such as schools, watercourses, houses. You must define the pile sizes and the storage times. Most combustible waste must be rotated and removed within 6 months. The separation distances must be a minimum of 6 metres between waste piles, site boundaries and buildings. Your quarantine area must hold at least 50% of your largest pile and remain clear. Early fire detection suitable for site layouts and suppression systems for indoor storage. Adequate water supply, enough to deliver 2,000 litres per minute for 3 hours, and that's on a 300 metre cubed pile. The firewater containment measures to prevent polluted water from entering the drains or the watercourses. Your plan must also detail how you manage common fire hazards, including arson, security fencing, CCTV, alarms, plant and machinery, and safe parking. You must have regular maintenance. Batteries, especially lithium-ion, must be segregated in a secure storage. So how are the EA going to assess you? And this is through the CCS score and a CAR report. So when the EA inspects, they use a compliance classification scheme, which is the CCS, and they record their findings in a compliance assessment report, also known as a CAR form. So category 1 breaches is the most serious, immediate enforcement is likely. Categories 2 to 4 carry points that add up throughout the year. And these points determine your compliance band, which impacts the inspection frequency and your annual subsistence charges. So what you write in your fire prevention plan sets the bar. If you promise daily checks, strict fire breaks, the EA will inspect against those commitments. A fire prevention plan is only effective if it is applied daily. The EA expects documented staff and contractor training, regular exercises to test the plan, and beyond basic evacuation drills. So plan reviews whenever there are operational changes, near misses or EA requests. So keep your fire prevention plan realistic. Over-promising looks good on paper, but every commitment becomes a legal obligation. Write achievable, practical measures. And that's what keeps your site safe and your compliance record strong. So at Viral Logistics Consulting, our purpose is simple, and that's to keep you compliant. From fire prevention plans, environmental permits to site audits and inspections, we help you stay ahead of the regulations and protect your business. And if you're preparing your continuing competence test or want a refresher on environmental compliance, Viral Logistics Academy offers tailored training. We provide one-to-one support or group sessions to make sure you're confident, knowledgeable and ready to meet the standards.